Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add a location in Google Maps. If you're using any iPhone or any Android phone and you want to add a new location in your Google Maps, so let's see how can you do that. So here you have to open your Google Maps app, and here if you want to save or add a location only for yourself, so you can easily do this. Just keep a long press on that location to set a pin, and after pinning, just tap on this add label option and it will be labeled only for you, and it will be shown only in your profile. Or if you want to add a place or add a missing place on overall the Google map, so you can easily do this. Just tap on the profile option at the top right. Just scroll down and look for add a missing place option. Select this. And here you just have to wait for the loading, and here you have to enter the place name. So you can enter the place name which you want to, then enter the category. So let's say I'm gonna select category first. And here you can select food and drink or shopping or any other from here if you want to add. So after adding, just enter the address. So you can tap on this plus and this option or to use your precise location, or you can also tap on this edit map location and then move this pin option of the map. You can zoom it and just tap in on the exact place just tap and done, and it will be saved. So after that you can also add more details if you want to. It's located within this open hour. If it's a business, it might be a shopping mall or food or drink corner. So you can add it opening hours and their phone number, or even you can add a website or photos. So once you have done, just tap on the submit option and Google will review your information. So if it approved, it will be available publicly. Or if you want to add your business to your Google Maps, so you can also do this. Just open your Google Maps, then tap on the profile option at the top right, and then just select add your business. And here you have to enter all the details you will see in this section. Just wait for the loading. So after that, here you have to start your business profile. So you have to enter your business name and then category, then enter the opening hour and the precise location you want to set. And after that, your business location will be available in Google Maps. So in this way, you can easily add a location in Google Maps. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.